So let's see what's happening with gold. Gold looks pretty interesting. I wouldn't be surprised to see gold break 1800 today or NFP to break gold 1800 tomorrow. We got four minutes to the open, 3 minutes. So see what happens here. I think gold's going to be a good trade today. You know what I like here is this thing's been just breaking up from yesterday up until London, pre-London big push, push back down pre-New York, held a nice support. Price has just been creating higher lows here.
Got that nice wick to the downside too.
Yeah, I was looking at that. It's holding a nice support too. It held a nice support in here. 30-minute candle is going to close, kind of bullish here. So I don't know. I'm thinking that maybe we could let it break the 4-hour highs, or that 15-minute would make sense too. What do you think here?
I think I'm gonna let it, break those wicks right there.
And this is a clean range.
Yeah, let it fill that wick up there.
Yeah, I don't think that's a bad idea because, well, here's what I was thinking was that this 15-minute candle here closed right up on this resistance, and that if this next 15-minute will close through this, the next one will pull back and break its own high and then have a nice push up. But
we may even see the next one just break it. If it can wick down first and then go up and break it, I'd still be willing to take it next candle. We'll just see how the volume comes in.
I'd be surprised if GJ doesn't break up this week too.
It's stuck in that range.
I know it's been pushing up, but just look at how price just getting squeezed on this. It's topping out, but making higher lows in there.
Gold gapped up for me.
There even a wick on that candle or no? Oh, my broker, yeah, there's not one either, huh? Gonna have to see what happens with this. This thing needs a pull back, create a wick to the downside before we do anything. Dude, NFP or today, gold's breaking 1800. It's gonna have to happen. It's gonna absolutely rip.
Yeah.
But this daily is so attractive here too. It just bottomed out on these monthly lows down here, created higher low here, higher lows here, higher low, and then lower time frame, higher low here. This thing's gonna pop through 1800. I bet maybe it spikes through again today, but NFP probably push it through there pretty nice. It's gonna break this downward channel too off of that. It's just sitting. You see how it's just sitting on that? It's gonna
Mm-hmm.
end up popping through that.
Made a bottom wick now. Not like huge, but it did.
Let me clear some of this off. Yeah, it did create a bottom wick. Dude, if it's just too risky playing it right here on the break of this high.
Yeah, and I would.
It's just only like to this resistance is like 6 pips.
I'm gonna wait for those other ones to break.
Hopefully it'll just hold the support like somewhere in here, not pull back, nothing too crazy. Because I like how this candle closed bullish, but nothing closed, like over any of this.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, 703. Um, Man, what I would really like to see is this current 15-minute candle close somewhere like up in here. Then the next one to pull back, break this high, and then take off. But it's only 704. If the volume kicks in, this thing could rip. You gonna set a stop order up there above there now?
Huh?
Are you gonna set a stop order above this now?
Yeah, like at 1796.
Let's see. Dang, I slept like junk last night. I don't know. I just kept waking up all night long. Yeah, nice, clean 4-hour ranges up here on gold. What I don't want is like this candle to just spike up in there, close back down, then the next one to pull back and then break the high again and finally make its run. So that's what I don't want to happen.
What do you mean?
Like if this candle were to just push up, break the high, close back in, and wait for the next 15-minute candle, which will then make a pullback, break the high again, and take off. Just be stupid.
Are you gonna wait till next candle then, or if it?
I don't know. I'm gonna wait and just see how prices act in here. I've got a feeling that this one's gonna close through, and here the next one's gonna make a wick down and break the highs.
Yeah.
Silver is 26.90, 26.85. Not bad. See now, looking at gold on the sell side, I don't really like anything on it for real. I mean, it would have to fall all the way back down to this 1 hour low, and then it would have to create structure on the way down for lower highs.
Yeah, I agree.
So gold sells are they're just about out of the picture for me today. Good GJ again. GJ's breaking up too. Man, that happened too. Dang, I might need to get a stand-up desk soon. For real, my back kills me sitting in this chair.
Hey, what's up?
What up, Trap King?
I'm doing well. Waiting for you to scam me again.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get scammed too, bro. I think gold buys somewhere up here, 1796, 1795, 90, something like that. It's probably price not a bad idea, but I'm just trying to figure out if the best idea, if this volume is going to kick in and break this now, or if we're going to close bullish on this candle on the 15 minute and then get the next 15 minute to wick down, break the high, and then take off. So I don't know. We're gonna have to see when this candle is. We're in the middle of things here, but
There's only 5 minutes left till the next candle opens, so it might be good to wait.
yeah, you guys know what I'm gonna do is um I'm gonna I'm gonna probably go ahead and delete my order right now. And I'm gonna anticipate that this move is gonna happen on the next 15-minute candle because it's already 7:10. We have 5 minutes left. I'm not gonna delete the order yet. If we get close to it on this, then I will, but I'm thinking that this is going to happen on the next candle. So hopefully we just kind of range above this 15-minute resistance here that was created late London, not really late London, but more so pre-New York. Hopefully we range in here lower time frame. Then the next 15-minute will pull back, create a nice bottom wick. Then the volume's going to kick in to break these highs and might have a nice push up today. So I'll keep the same order I have, but if it starts to push up right now, the closer we get to this next 15-minute candle, the less attractive it becomes to me because I know there's going to could be a significant pullback, and on gold, significant pullbacks can sometimes not be fun.
A lot of times, this is one it will kind of hit. It could hit that right before the candle close, and then just kind of pull back down to where we would have to close.
Mm-hmm.
That's when we see those 1 minute highs broken, the next candle, and that's usually when it was,
Yeah.
but we'll have to see.
Yeah, that's it. It's when it gets close to those times, bro. We get freaking cutting those bad trades out is nice. Yeah, but think about just a trade like this too. And I said it would break the high and run up. Like again, that would have to set it at break even and you would already get hit. But
Yeah, too small brain.
the more focus on just quality trades and quality ideas, and then also not being afraid to let it go somewhere without us too. So we definitely want we had this 15-minute candle close up on resistance. This one's breaking, it's breaking the idea, right? So if this one will just push up into this range, if this one will push up into this range up here, that next candle's pullback and then breaking the high, we should be good to go on the next one, I would think. Watch gold just have a huge meltdown today. Just missed the whole trade idea, everything. Oh, the dollar is melting. Oh yeah, gold's going to 1,800 this week for sure.
I mean, the gold you called yesterday was absolutely was crazy.
Oh, it was fire.
The gold you called yesterday, and it just went. I mean, there was a trap zone there that was about 200 plus pips. I didn't have any business with it, but I was like, "What? I'm not interested in this." But when I went to check, I realized that the market just went and picked the entry and moved all the way up for a huge amount of pips, and I'm like, "Okay." I'm like, so that was just what happened. It was a very huge one yesterday that week. So that's gold wonder. That
Yeah,
was, yeah, it was to the left. Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
Exactly where bottom left of your screen there. Bottom left of your screen. Bottom left. Just don't move your screen. The last egg, to the left, the last bearish candle, then girlfriend
Oh,
candle.
okay.
Yeah, that was it there. That was it right there. So it went straight down, and I was like, okay, this is quite huge. I'm not interested in this more.
Yeah, it tapped right
Right.
into it, huh?
Yeah, I was like, I'm not interested because it was just too much.
Yeah, 250 pips to the upside. That's nice.
Yeah, so I mean, I want to see I like what you're talking about on those GBP, JPY. Same thing happening on GU. I want to see all of them go to the upside.
Yeah, I do too. I feel like on the weekly and daily, it looks good to pop
Yeah,
through this and go up. So
yeah.
we're gonna have to see. The next 15-minute candle started, and it's I would have liked to have seen this one close up on this up in here and make its breakout, but now this current one has no bottom wick as well. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. We might be waiting for the 30-minute candles to open then.
I think there was some interest rate news, GBP. So the market did a lot of spiking earlier.
Oh yeah, wasn't
That's
that 6 a.m., wasn't it? Something that was today?
yeah, just a few before you sent your link out.
Yep. Yeah.
So I saw everything, and he just did exactly what I explained to them on Zoom. So I was like, wow, okay, no problem. I just want to be scammed today. That's just it.
Yeah, this 15-minute candle on both brokers doesn't have a bottom wick. So That I don't like. I'm really hoping this doesn't, for some stupid reason, break this high and take off, because I'm not going to be able to bring myself to execute on that. So again, maybe we'll just get a tight range in here or something between now and I don't even know when it's just going to break out. Who knows? It might be the next 30 minute. Maybe this 30-minute candle will close more like bullish or neutral. Then the next one can pull back and break, because yeah, I'm not, no bottom wick on this. I don't think I want to be involved in that. Now, we could take it on the idea of the 1 hour, the hourly made a more of a bottom wick and it's going to push through and break the highs, but 30-minute has its bottom wick as well. Man.
Okay, so we're looking to fill up that wick to the left, right?
Yeah, we're
That
looking to
huge.
fill this wick over here.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I want to enter it. I can't decide.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna hold out and wait. If I'm gonna delete my order because I don't want price to spike on me. I'm not comfortable with this. Not this candle doesn't have a bottom wick on this broker or mine, so I'm not gonna execute on this trade. Although the 30-minute has one and it could definitely break this and rip this candle. Um, I'm willing to let it go without me.
We could, if it does go up there before coming back down, we could see if it will spike it, and then
Close back in.
we can take an entry at the break of it.
Yeah. If this candle maybe spikes through here and closes back into the range, it'll leave a 1 minute high up there. Those are fire to execute on the next candles that pull back and break them. Those are some fire trades. So maybe that's what's going to happen. Oh, regardless, I'm not going to, I'll wait. I'm going to wait for probably the 30-minute candle to close. So the next trade we take will be off of 30-minute time frame. So we'll have to let this one close. I'm really trying to see if something will close up in here, and then the next one pull back and break the highs like we thought about on the 15-minute, but just got to be patient here today. So we have 10 minutes for this next candle to open. I'll be right back real quick. So
Okay.
no one go anywhere. Just sit tight. Don't be pressing buttons either.
Anyone know what he meant when he's saying NFP?
Yeah, NFP is the first Friday of every month. It's when they release, it stands for non-farm payroll. So they release like unemployment numbers and all that. And then
Okay.
to see the FOMC stuff, there's just a lot of high impact news basically that
Okay.
mornings
That makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, I mean the NFP is for people that have been trading, what I mean, like my mentor will always say, he says on NFP week, he tries as much as possible to pick his trades Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then he allows the market Thursday and Friday to chill. Now, we could have, if you have like a huge move, for instance, today, if you have a huge move today, then what's going to happen? That most likely on NFP, when those numbers are released, nothing is going to happen in the market. But most of those moves that you may have been expecting to happen, if they do not happen now that you're expecting them to happen, then what's going to happen is the market will be most likely holding it up for NFP. And like we were talking about yesterday, the truth is the results of NFP, the institutions already know what the results are. They've already placed their orders. So we just try as much as possible to be in line, or we stay out and let the market settle. But NFP non-farm periods a day, you don't want to really be in the market. Just let the
Okay.
market do whatever it wants to do, and then once it's settled, as soon as the NFP results are out, that's like after like 30 minutes to 1 hour, then you can look for a position.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Looks like that candle's taken off.
You know, probably gonna go without us. I'd like to see if it could pull back like right now, like come back down like a decent amount, and then
Yeah, because then that could close like 6:30 could come.
let's see.
It'd be kind of not funny, but funny if Tanner came back and the entire range was full or something.
Never know with gold. Looks like it's gonna go, but
It could just be it deleted our orders, and that's the exact kind of wick that would grab all those orders and bring them right back down.
yeah, if I kept mine, I would have got hit in, but
Yeah, same with me. I deleted it when Tanner was talking about it.
To be honest, if I'm able to catch this gold, what's gonna happen is I'll try and
perfect.
hold it all the way to. I mean, the top of the week there is like 17.99, I guess. That's the top of that week. I think it's about 17
roughly.
So I'll try to hold it to about 18.0 18.02, I guess. Yeah, try and hold it all the way to there, because I want to see so many things happen there. Because what I think the market wants to do is it wants to clear away all of those. It wants to clean up all of the. I mean, if you look on the high time frame, you see there's so much noise up there. So it could actually throw a week and clean up everything up there,
Look
and
at
then
it.
do whatever it wants to do next.
Oh, good call on gold.
I know, that's why we wait.
Look at that.
That would have grabbed everyone's order and dragged it down to.
You know why? I've seen that happen a lot. That 15-minute has no bottom wick. It gets curious about what's up there and then gets shoved right back down. You know, this happened to us 2 weeks ago. You guys remember we had a gold buy that we tried to take, and price whipped up, grabbed our order, closed right back into the range, broke. When it broke that high again is when it took off. It's why you live and you learn. Got to take the notes so you know. This gets often curious about these clear levels and then closes back in. And without this bottom wick, we have to be mindful of that. So now we're lining up like 5 minutes till the 30-minute candle, the next 30-minute. So what we'll do is on the next 30-minute, we want this one to close bullish. So we have this resistance in here now, right? Where we keep bouncing off of this wick, pretty much this resistance up here. We really want to see this 30-minute candle and 15-minute break above this, close above this, then the pullback of the next one and the break of this high. Gold's going to rip on it. So we just got to wait for it.
Tanner, you think if these 1 minute highs get broken on this candle, it could rip, or are you going to wait for sure till the 30 to close?
I mean, you could put the risks on the table if you wanted to. I just think I'm more comfortable with this 15 minutes still doesn't have a bottom wick, bro. So
It does.
oh, yeah, it does. Never mind. Dang.
But yeah, also if we expect the next 30 to wick down, so I guess there's no point.
We might as well just wait
already.
Because look, GJ's got these highs and then lower highs and lower highs and the lows right here. If it'll break these lows, there's a good chance that GJ could have a sell-off today, instead of that buy that I was anticipating. So, you know, if gold leaves and GJ waits, we trade GJ. If whatever, we just got to be patient here. I really want this thing to wait on us, but like you said, if it breaks its own high again, man, that thing might rip.
3 minutes.
It's just, 3 minutes, 4.5 minutes till 3.5 minutes till this open. Hopefully we don't get left today, boys. Hopefully we don't.
Yeah, so when this one closes, if the next candle starts to wick down at the open, I'm just gonna put my order back in.
Yeah, I'll set one at 1796, depending on where the top of this candle is at. I'd set one at like 1796, probably 2-3.
Yeah.
Bro, we have 3 minutes. If this thing does not wait for us and ruins this range, I'm gonna have to have a long talk with someone.
Literally 2 minutes.
Dude, this is gonna be perfect. Exactly how we talked about it, I think. Oh my God, dude. Look at this. This 30-minute candle closes above the support down here. And then this 30-minute candle closes, oh, so bullish. And if we can just not break out yet.
It's playing with it.
Bro, it is holding on just literally by a hair. Come on, cut it out. The patience is real. Oh my God. Do not break the high. Do not close back into the range. Somebody asked where we're looking to execute is literally just above the high of this 30 minutes. So what we want is this 30-minute to close just like this, somewhere bullish in here. And then no, not on the last.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
We want the next one to make a bottom wick and then break the previous one's high. If we can do that, if we can make a bottom wick on the next open and break the previous high, that is where we're going to want to run it. Right on the high. So for me, like my high right now is like 1796, 55.
Here we go. Let's see if we can get a wick down. We don't have one on our broker.
I have one here.
Yeah, there is one there, but Hugo's doesn't have one. Plus, it is a 30-minute too, so I do think it's going to wick down. But we'll see.
Are you avoiding stops on this one? Just market, or what are you thinking?
What do you mean avoiding stops?
Oh, like stop order.
Nah, I'm gonna set one.
Here we go. Now I can set one. So now if it were to go up and break, I'd take it. You agree, Tanner?
Oh, yeah. 100%. I already got my order waiting, 9 pip stop loss, 10 pip stop. This is what we want. This 30-minute candle pull back, test into all of this. And then this 30-minute to break the previous 30-minute high. And this thing should rip up pretty nice. Dude, the patience we just had to sit through was unreal.
This is good. If it can come all the way back up, there'll be a huge wick to the downside.
Come on.
It is the first minute still, so. Gold tends to act crazy in the first couple minutes.
See, that is why you guys have to be willing to let a trade go without you. Because had you just executed knowing the time that the 30-minute candle was just about to start, and had you executed on that break, you would be, again, getting just absolutely destroyed. You would have got wrecked the first time, and you would have got wrecked the second time. That's why you just have to sit on your hands. Even when the trade looks like it's about to just completely blow out and take off, like, you have to be willing to leave it alone. You cannot chase it. Leave it all alone. And then once the timing is right and it's exactly how you imagine it, just trade it. You go chasing it, though, you're going to end up taking losses, loss after loss. And then, you're never going to follow your rules. So just got to be patient. We had good patience today. I think if we can break this high, it'll probably pay out pretty nice. Let's look at what else there is over here.
Yo, where's your entry at?
My order
on that
is
gold.
my order is set above the high here.
That is 1796.7, I guess.
1796. Mine is 1796 or 1796.57. Because on my broker, the quotes are a bit different. So I'm just going off of what my broker is.
Are you set right at the break of that high wick, or like
I'm set at 1796.57.
So no slight spread above it, just right at the break?
On my broker, that's a little bit above it. I look at my broker and see.
Yeah, no, and not ask for the number, more the spot, like literally right at the break of the wick, not slightly above it for a little bit of spread.
It's above it.
Okay.
So we have 1 minute lows being created now. We can just keep breaking some structure going to the upside. How you see this nice trade today? Man, we were so patient for this. We deserve it. Come on.
Bro, if this can smack for us, we would have read it like a book.
Bro, if this thing plays out, oh my God, I must have broke this thing. Literally. Yeah, and this huge daily support here, this looks so attractive for gold to rip through here, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that looks perfect. I'm telling you, break of 1800 this week, it's going to happen. Dang, this thing is not going to have a meltdown today instead of a melt up.
The market maker be playing with you.
I know. He changed his name to someone in this call. They're listening. They thought they were going to bait me into being impatient, but thought
Dwayne,
wrong.
is that you? Oh man.
What'd you say?
I said, is that you? Are you the market maker?
I wish, bro. Sure.
I wonder if anyone here got impatient and tried to execute an on gold today. That won't tell us. It always happens. Somebody out there executes the impatience.
Maybe not today since there's only 10 of us, but on the bigger calls, I bet people do.
Yeah, there's definitely people that on the bigger ones that aren't no risk that do that. Yeah, they get the FOMO bad. When I get FOMO, I just think about losing money, and then I'm like, nah, I'm all right. Weigh out the options. Soon remember that the FOMO is not where I want to be at. Because I just think back to my old days of like trading, my older days of trading. Like I used to get FOMO, and every single time the market would do the complete opposite. So when I get that old feeling, I know, like, trust me, while I was away from the computer, I looked at my phone once just now and saw gold was breaking the highs. I'm like, imagine that thing's gonna take off without us, and it didn't. So I'm happy I never made put an entry in. Come on, gold. Dude, these candles are just, they look so good for this thing to go up. Big support, holding this lower time frame support here. Big bullish candle that closed over this resistance. The market got curious with this wick and got shoved back down. Maybe what might happen here is this 15-minute will close up here as well, or like just holding this support. Then the next one creates a bottom wick to break the highs, because we're going to have another 15-minute open here soon. The market is playing with us today, the patience. Dang, the pound pairs have been in a big old range since really beginning of the week, Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
So now the next 15 minutes going to open in 5 minutes. Were you going to say something, or was someone going to say something?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for. I want to see what the pounds want to do because I mean, I wonder what they have planned. They've been all in a range since I think Tuesday.
Yeah. Tuesday. I don't know. I would have expected that GJ today. The upside looks more like it's going to happen, but this downside as well today, you have this resistance right here. So if price were to break lower today, I could see the trade of the day being to the downside, but long term, I'm still bullish on GJ. I think it's got on the weekly I think it was last time I looked. The weekly, it had more time to go up or more space to go up. Dude, if gold will close above this area, this is going to be nice. Nice pre-New York support, nice big bullish candle, candle closing with a nice rejection wick. Next 15-minute candle will pull back and break the highs. See how we're just, like I said earlier this morning, if we can just trade in this range up here and then break out, it'll be nice. And it looks like we might get that if this thing can close back up in here. This next candle starts in 4 minutes. So looks like we're going to be waiting on the next 15-minute. Come on.
Did you take profit that whole 20-ish range there, or not quite?
Every time my target hits 10 pips, I either close it all, close some, and leave a runner.
Okay.
I don't care. My range could be 1,000 pips, still the same thing.
Yeah, okay.
Because I've seen where it's a nice clean range for 100 pips and price will impulse in there, not even a quarter of it and turn right back around. So I'm just looking for clean ranges to get my same move every day. Anything outside of that is just like an extra bit. So we got 3 minutes for this to close. We need this thing to close up more and hold a nice support. I've got that feeling that gold's going to be nice to us today.
Mm-hmm.
Nice patience is going to pay off too. You know how good it's going to feel when this thing does exactly what we want it to. And the money's made off of it as well. It's way too rewarding.
How big is that range right there, Tanner? Was it third?
I think it's 20 something, 22, 23, okay. 24 pips. The thing we're gambling with today is NFP. NFP is tomorrow. So if gold will break out of that 1,800 today, who knows? It could go to 1,805 today, or it's going to peak interest like how higher time frame, it'll peak interest how this did and shot right back down. That same thing will happen if price will peak interest at 1,800 and get shoved back down until NFP or something, So that's why, like, I don't want to hold a position, I just want to get in and out of this. We were this patient. I'm not going to get greedy to hope for more pips on this. It could happen with the daily breakout, but I don't care. I'm here to make the money same way every morning, and just anything else is a bonus if I leave a runner, but I'm not going to today. So now we have 30 seconds till the close. Look at this. So nice 15-minute bullish candle, a nice support held on this 15-minute candle. This is nice. 10 seconds. The next one will shoot down and create a wick. Just, nothing crazy. Create a wick and start to break up. Ooh, it's going to be nice. The gold breaks in 1790.43 today and just dies off. Can you imagine that? Come on. Bro, the volume sucks today. What is going on? There's not even any news. Like, it's not waiting for any news or anything.
Yeah, sometimes that can happen. I think day before NFP.
Oh, there's unemployment claims that just happened.
That has already happened. That already shown us its move already. So
yeah, better than expected. Come on, give it to us, gold. Yeah, NFP can. Here's the thing about NFP. I think a lot of traders use NFP as an excuse to do bad, honestly. NFP, I mean, look at the moves we've got this week. A lot of good, clean moves. So I don't know. I don't really pay much attention. I never have paid much attention. The only thing that I don't like about NFP week is NFP day. Like that can get a bit crazy. But as far as like the actual week, I guess, some maybe some things can take time to digest or wait on the news to digest the news, but overall things are still going to make their moves every day.
Yeah, I mean, like what before when you muted the server, what we explaining to the people was that sometimes, like today, for instance, the volume sucks and nothing is really happening. So probably what the market could be trying to do is waiting for NFP because before NFP, I mean, the results are already out. The big boys already know the results. So they've already picked their positions. So what happens is that once NFP comes, that's when that whole volume uh, jumps into the market. And then after like 30 minutes to 1 hour, everything settles again.
Yeah, the day before we could definitely see a lot of choppiness and ranging for sure. Especially in gold. Gold loves waiting on NFP numbers like that. And especially the day of, like there won't be a move on gold probably until NFP. We'll just sit there and range or something until the news comes out. Come on, gold. Man, above that range we wanted to, and the price already peaked interest up there and got shut down. I like that too. So if it breaks it again, I really think this thing could rip up. Ooh. And remember, with my order is already a stop, like my stop loss, everything, you have to be prepared to price to wick into your zone and go straight down to your stop loss, and you have it there. Because if not, and it wicks into it and melts off how it did earlier, you're going to end up taking a way bigger loss than 10 pips if you don't have a stop loss in place. And that's on you.
I mean, I already have my own stop loss, so I don't care.
Yeah, exactly. I have when I set my order, the stop loss is with it, so I don't have to worry about none of that happening.
Come on, man. Caleb, move this market.
We need this one. It'll be nice for the hourly close too if it can push up here. We can get the break of it and it can push up. It'll be a nice strong hourly close.
Yeah. Yeah, gold is for sure testing the patience today. It's good day for us. Dude, if we get close like to 746 or 756, I'm gonna delete my order and wait for the 8 o'clock candle or the new 4 hour, because that new 4 hour, if that can break the high, this thing's going. And price hasn't went yet, so that's our next volume time is 8 o'clock, next 4 hour candle.
Come on, gold. You play too much. I mean, this is about to be my last trade for the week. So
Come on, give us that pump before the 4 hour candle.
This is about to be my last trade for the week.
I can feel the tension on it. Once this thing can break, it's
I know, bro. It's just sitting there.
It's gonna be quick, I guess. Gonna be quick.
See how price made that pullback off of there, create these 1 minute higher lows too. These are nice lower time frame that price, it's inching in our direction. It wants to do it. These are good though, because just like our higher time frames, how we push into areas and we hold those higher time frame supports that are key. Like the lower time frame, it's good to see those as well, where it holds those supports. Will create lower time frame supports to just give it that extra confluence to push up. So these things aren't bad either, because it's stronger. Like when you get a consolidation up near it and then it'll break out, that's stronger and better than just one candle cleaning out a whole range and breaking out. Those are typically pretty ugly. So these pullbacks we have lower time frame, they aren't a bad thing. I think what's going to happen is this 15-minute candle is going to close in here, and that 4-hour candle is going to have to create a bottom wick and then break up. And then there's that chance that we could just be wrong about gold all around today, right? This thing, it doesn't have to go up, but with how biased we are on the upside, I won't trade the short side of it today. If it rips, we'll just take a look at GJ and see if there's something there for us. And that could be a potential, but yeah, if gold doesn't play out, I'm not chasing anything to the downside, no sells, nothing like that.
Yeah, we're way too committed to the buy right now.
Yeah, it could just die off today. Then we get literally, nothing on gold, that's fine too.
All right, Tanner, I gotta head out. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Take care.
Man, 7:55 or 5 minutes off from the 4-hour candle. One thing I'm taking away from this right now is at least this support is being held in here, all through here. We're going to have the next hourly open, and, we closed bullish on one. We've been holding the support. Maybe if this thing will just close bullish, at least for the hourly close, so we have a bullish candle up here. And the next one to pull back, break the high would make a lot of sense too. So gold spread keeps spiking to 3 pips. You see that?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it keeps spiking up past 3 pips.
I mean, it's normal. It's usually 2-3 pips. It's getting up there. You gonna keep it or wait for the 4 hour?
I think I'm going to keep mine. I mean, there's a chance it could blow through there in the 4 hours continuation. So we built a nice support, lower time frame, created another higher low right there. If it breaks there and sucks back in, then we'll get our second opportunity on the 4 hour open. But I really anticipate this thing just waiting in here to break out for the next hourly and 4 hour open. But who knows? I think I'm willing to leave it. As long as we can just hold this resistance and it's still closed like pretty bullish. We've got 3 minutes now for this.
This thing must be waiting for the 4 hour now.
Yeah, it's going to wait for the 4 hour next hourly open. There's no way anybody's looking at gold right now saying sell gold. That should not even, bro, that's an illegal thought process right now. There's no way somebody that's trading this today is saying, let's sell this. It looks like it's about to break out. This is nice, a nice little pullback. We've got a little over a minute left. Like, come on. Just do not spike or nothing. Just sit right there and consolidate. Hourly open, wick down, break the highs, boom, we're gone.
If when this 4 hour starts, if it doesn't wick down, are you gonna remove your order?
I think I'm gonna leave mine. I don't think the 4 hour will not wick down. I think especially if we close somewhere like this, that pullback would make sense, then break the high. We got a minute left, bro. Come on. Yeah, if we can just hold somewhere on this resistance and then the next one pull back and break this, I think this will be pretty attractive for gold today.
1 more minute.
30 minutes looking attractive. The 1 hour, maybe we could get a nice little push up on the 1 hour here. We've got 50 seconds. Ooh, that thing's shot down. Still the 30 minutes holding the support, so hopefully we continue to hold that. Yeah, I don't really want to see this 15-minute previous low broken. Push back to the upside. If it'll close somewhere up here, it'll be nice. Come on. Got 10 seconds. Still the 30-minute held. Nice bullish candle. Nice 30-minute support. New 4 hour open right now. Ooh, there's the bottom wick. New hourly open. New 4 hour open. See how bullish that 4 hour candle was? Bullish, pullback.
My 4 hour, mine didn't open a new 4 hour on Hugo's. I've still got both the really long wicks on the 4 hour to the downside and back up on MetaTrader.
Mine doesn't have a wick yet. Are you gonna enter that, Tanner?
Yeah, everything's got a wick for me.
On the one?
Yeah, mine's got a wick.
Everything literally just shot down, bro, and pushed up.
Hugo's way doesn't have a bottom wick.
Yeah, all right. This thing, you got to think about the overall picture. Gold's overall bullish. We've sat here, been this patient. Like, volume's probably here, so we just got to sit and wait, bro. The 1 hour looks good. The 4 hour looks really nice. 30 minutes still held its bullish support, bullish candle, the support here, 30-minute open and bottom wick, shooting up bullish. See, we held on to that support. This breakout makes a lot of sense today. But this is why we don't over leverage. This is why we have our stops in place. All of these things is because if we're still wrong about it, then the least we can do is manage the trade the proper way. Look at silver shooting up. Gold's going to follow that. Watch.
Has silver broke out?
Oh, yeah. Silver's ripping right now. Oh, my God. This thing today.
Like, you don't want to know how pissed I am with gold right now. Give us our money. Let's go about our daily business. And gold is playing.
Bro, like I said, this thing could just completely melt off today. And then we don't even have a trade. You know what I mean? Like it could be that today. It could be the kind of day it is. We'd have to switch over to GJ because GJ hasn't broken out yet. And it could below these lows. So if that's what's going to happen with gold, that's, we'll just delete the orders and move on. I really would have anticipated this thing breaking this and just ripping though. But this is why we don't trade off of anticipation either. Just have our order at the breakout.
Man. Are we going to delete our order or still leave it?
I'm going to leave it for now. I'm going to see what happens here.
Because it could just be making an hourly wick.
Yeah, we got to think it's early. It's 3 minutes into the hourly and 3 minutes into a pretty major 4-hour candle. So could just be making deeper retracements.
You notice that, Tanner?
What?
The 4-hour didn't open.
Yeah, this has a 4-hour.
That's what I'm talking about. My 4-hour didn't open. It's the same 4-hour from.
Yeah, look on Hugo's way on your phone, Tanner.
Yeah, but what is your timing set on your guys' Hugo's way? This is set to my time.
Yeah, we don't get to choose that on the broker only trading view. We can. But I still thought it was at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, but look at the time of your candle right now. It's 1600 hours.
Mine's 1300.
Same. Mine's 13.
You know what I mean? Your 4-hour is at 13, but your current one is 16.
So that the next hour it will go.
Man, gold is looking way too spicy today to be doing all this. I'm gonna leave my order for now and just wait. 804. See, but this is what I was looking at on GJ was this morning. The price action it was making was all this rejection up here off of pre-London, and then the 30-minute and the 15 as well. I wonder if GJ isn't going to be a good sell underneath this low to run down into this. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So we can watch GJ as well if gold jacks around too much today.
It's a good feeling when it does this and you haven't entered though, because it would have just demolished you.
Oh, you would have got just absolutely screwed. That's why you just got to be patient. Can't act on anything.
Tanner, what would gold have to do for you to just be out? Like obviously a big melt to the sell side, whatever, but like it's kind of just hanging out. So just curious, what would end this for you?
I guess if we break like 1790.57, I'm just probably done with it. Because just based off of the price action, and I'm 100% not executing on the short side today. Based off of the price action, as we've seen clear rejection here, we're breaking obvious 15-minute support, and we're heading back down towards 1794 or 1790 pretty much. And that's a clean 1 hour range down there. So it could be that, we're not right about everything and we had our bias, but this thing could easily close here on the next 15, pull back, break the lows, and melt down today. That's a potential as well. But I don't like to switch my bias like that. So I just won't trade it.
So since gold has decided to waste our time, we gotta go. Life just got in the way. So
all right, bro. We will run it back tomorrow. See what GJ's up to tomorrow. Dang, everything's just ranging so far today. Yeah, it really is like watching grass grow. I figured with this silver breaking out, gold was just going to do the same exact thing earlier. Just would have triggered our order and just ran us up.
I feel like it's just gonna have one of those later, like late breakouts. Like after we get off the call, and I can just picture it in the chat. We get off the call, and you put in there peep gold.
Yeah, wouldn't be the first time though. I mean, we have the stock market open at 8:30, so I'm down to be on here a little longer. Yeah, I think if just looking at things here, not biased, just what the structure is doing, obviously we've topped out, created a lower we've topped out up here, created a lower high, created lower highs down here. So, you know, if the next 15-minute candle opens and creates a top wick after this one breaks this support here, if this one were to close down here and the next one were to create a top wick and break the lows here, we were just probably, you know, the gold move is going to be to the sell side on this 1 hour wick here. So that could be what's happening here, and that's all right. Yeah. It's been the next 15 minutes, the next 15 minutes, the next. Yeah, that's what happens in a choppy market. I mean, look at GJ just ranging. Look at gold just ranging. So, yeah, that'll happen. So, we'll see what happens here today. I mean, look, this thing came down here and found a wall of buyers. Who knows? You know what I mean? We just have to take price literally as it's printing for us. So, this is why my order is still there for the buy side, and I'm not going to have you guys trade the short side today. So I'm just explaining things literally as they happen at this point. What if this candle were to shoot all the way back up above this support, like up here, and then the next one break out and just run for us? Be hilarious. So the upside's like 22 pips, and if price were to break, this one would be like 20 pips. But again, I'm not playing the price to the downside, even if it does break. So this, you just pretty much have a neutral candle here. Oh. See what the dollar's up to, just consolidating. See, imagine being in this range, like trying to anticipate a buy or a sell. Like someone in this range has just been waiting for their move, and it's just not happening. There's somebody in this range, a lot of people in buys and sells. All of a sudden, some random news hits, and then the market flies up. 100 pips. 1 minute ago, jobless claims tumble, and another sign the labor market is getting closer to pre-pandemic levels.
It's bad for gold.
Well,
That's what
yeah, because pre-pandemic would be better than pandemic.
Exactly. So that'd be good for the dollar, right?
Yeah, technically. But here's the thing, though. These people like try to make it sound good, but it's like these jobs that people are taking, they're not new jobs being created. They're this old jobs that are being recovered. It's still not even all of them are recovered. Like literally look around everywhere. There's signs on places hiring. Two places I passed by last night had job fair signs. St. Louis Post. I seen a post from this news in St. Louis, and they said they had they had over a dozen businesses have a job fair there, and literally no one showed up for a job. My buddy was telling me yesterday that there were signs on these fast food restaurants where he lives, and they literally have signs outside saying they have to close early because they don't have enough workers.
Yeah, there's tons of that here in Edwardsville too.
That's crazy. And then the government's talking about another round of stimulus. Like, bro, what is the matter with us? You have all these jobs open, and yet you're just going to keep handing out stimulus and unemployment benefits.
Yo, Tanner,
Yeah.
you know what I did see? I saw a fast food place. This was over the internet. I saw a fast food place actually giving interviewees like an incentive for actually going to the interview.
Oh
That's
my
how
God.
bad it is, bro. It's crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy.
You get a free McDouble when you pull up to the McDonald's interview.
Oh my God.
I think it was like a good $50 that they would get.
You know what's
It's
crazy
crazy.
too is that they're like paying these fast food workers like I don't know what minimum wages in your guys' states, but they're paying them like $11-12 to work at a fast food restaurant, which to me is crazy because I worked at two different financial institutions and they both did not pay much more than that, which is kind of crazy to me. I can't believe they pay those people that much. They can't even get your order right.
Can't even get your order right.
For real.
The only place that never messes up, bro, Chick-fil-A.
Bro, Chick-fil-A, yeah. Those are some solid, happy folks there.
Dude, I don't understand how they get the happiest people there. I just don't get it.
They must have like strict procedures with interviewing, like picking their employees because they're always the best.
Chick-fil-A will be the only company to survive everything. Yeah, it's very religious. That's why they're closed on Sundays.
We need one here in Edwardsville because closest one's like Fairview.
O'Fallon, yeah.
There is one on campus actually, but it's not like a big one. It's just a small one.
Oh, gold.
I don't think we're getting anything on gold today. It's probably just honestly waiting for the news tomorrow. This is not uncommon for it to just range the day before, even a lot of the week before NFP.
Yeah, the stock market opened up here in 9 minutes, pretty much 8 minutes. Should add some value too. TJ up to? Nothing. TJ ain't up to nothing. Caleb Chase responded to my story and said those are gross, those citywides.
Bro, they're nasty.
I was like, nah, they're good. And he said, I don't know.
Yeah, bro, I could not do that, bro. It was funny too, because you know Blake, my other roommate,
Yeah.
we gave the other one to him because none of us wanted it, because he'll take free beer anytime he can get it. And he was like literally puking from it. That was that bad. Like he chugged it and he went and threw up, I'm pretty sure.
Bro, those things are good.
Can't do it.
As you guys get a little older, your taste buds will change. Grow into it. It's like onions.
We'll see. I still gotta go get my new ID.
Dude, what the F is this market's problem today?
Telling you, bro, it's just NFP week, especially the day before. It just ranges.
Yeah, the day before it can be rough. I think though, this thing's still gonna make a move today.
You think?
I'm looking at it on the 1 minute, and it's look like it's starting to break some structure back up.
Somebody said 4 GBP folders. Those were this morning though at those were all red folders at 6 a.m. and I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I think some of the news was like left the same. So I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna have going on here today, but something's gonna pop. I feel like.
See, it just broke some structure on the 1 minute.
Yeah, I see that. I'm looking at it right now.
It's gonna be one of those 11 o'clock movers.
Nah, it's gonna happen before 11, dude. Because look at this. Like, we'll see on the 15-minute close, but we had that push up, and these might have just been some deeper retracements for this thing to make its breakout. We had a pretty significant candle open, a 4-hour candle, that new one that opened. You know, it made a deeper retracement, but the hourly was still bullish and held a support. This one was neutral. This one held a support, pushing back up. Look at the 30-minute, you know, bullish close, support, bullish close, 2 support wicks again. Maybe we'll see here on the 15-minute, you know. Caleb, imagine if the this 15-minute were to close here and the next one opened and just wicked down and broke these highs. Give it earlier entry.
I don't know. I don't think I want to trade inside of this range.
Bro, that would be crazy if we nailed that one.
I've seen it go up and down in the middle here too much. I can't do it.
Yeah, it's nuts. Stock market opens in 4 minutes. 3 minutes now, so we'll see. We'll give it a little time after the stock market opens to see if we can't catch some volume, but typically I don't wait like crazy long after that.
Yeah, I think if after this open, if it don't go, I'm just gonna call it a day because nothing's happening.
My God, gold, what is your problem today? One minute till the open, so now it's open. We should see here. 30-minute close, still neutral, so all righty, gold. See if you can make it shakier for us. My dad's texting me right now. Silver needs to go over $27. We can get another breakout.
There you go. Another high in 1 minute.
Caleb, here was that idea I had. Let's see if it's right. Right now, you'd be in some drawdown, like pretty much break even.
It'd be good if it can go up because then I think we could pop up to the upside actually for once.
Only been saying it all morning. Dude, it held a nice support in here. Look, Dang, we'd be eating right now. Knew it. Yep, 10 pips achieved just about.
You still got your order up there?
Oh, yeah. She's sitting there waiting, buddy. Don't you worry about me. See this nice little volume we're seeing right now. If that can continue, pop this and just rip. Be a nice day for us. Silver's breaking out again, too.
But I'm just about to go buy silver. Shit.
Right.
Why don't you do this on silver?
The spread is different on silver.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Well, the spread's only, I'm looking at it right now, the spread on gold's actually higher.
No, if you put a 0.01 in silver, you'll find out.
It's like the pips are calculated differently, I think. So it's really like a 25 pip spread, I think.
25 pip spread?
Yeah, because if you like on your MetaTrader, if you hold down on the symbol and then click details, it'll tell you there's 3 digits on gold, on silver, but on gold it's 2 digits. So that's like.
Well, we've put a 0.01 in there before. Remember a long time ago, and there was something up with the spread where we were like, "Yeah, this ain't the move." Remember that, Caleb?
Yeah, it's just. Really, I mean, it doesn't make a big difference as long as you lower your lot size, but it's just I'd rather just trade gold.
Here we go. Oh shit.
It's all right. It's breaking out. It's nice. Man, I should have taken my own signal. I'd have been eating.
Come on, baby, fly up.
Come on, just poke into this and just freaking rip, dude. If it goes up there and sucks back down and gives us a loss, oh my God.
I'm in it.
Yep. Come on, just break up.
Come on.
So if we start to get up like where we're, 6, 8 pips in profit, I'm going to set mine to break even. Let me know how many pips we are up because, we hit a wall here again. You kidding me? It's going to push through here. Come on. The volume's going to kick in here again.
The moment we've been waiting for. Come on, baby. 10 pips, all I want. We're up 7.5 right now. 8.
Come on.
Okay, have everything at break even.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out. Let's go, baby.
Nice.
I'm out. Let's go. Patience to a
Let's
T
go.
today.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What a trade, guys. Such good patience. Whoa.
Holy shit.
Yo, I just got out.
Yo.
I caught that last little impulsive move.
Oh my God. Let's go.
Dude, I was trying to set my stop loss to break even, and then y'all said you're getting out, so I was trying to get back to close it, and then as soon as I went to close it, bro, it shot up. Holy shit. Bro, nice. I'm so glad we waited.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
That's
God damn.
Let's go.
Oh my God. How many pips is that?
Bro, way too many. We just broke the market. 60 pips right there. 1 minute candle probably, or dang near. Oh my God, what a rip!
The thing is
guys.
ripping.
What I tell you guys, this 1800 was gonna come this week because it was either gonna peak interest and shoot down, or this daily breakout was gonna let it rip to 1804, 1805. because this is a clean, look at this clean daily range here. This is so key for gold right now. This is a nice breakout for it. So what you need now, like to think about gold long term, is a few, tomorrow to trade above the 1800 level as well. So that 1805 that we talked about earlier this morning was just hit. Fire trade today. The patience there today was unreal, wasn't it?
Man, that had my heart racing a little bit. Got my feet sweating over here.
I had to come back,
Oh, did you catch it, Trap King?
Check the group. Check the group and drop a message there.
Yo, that thing is ripping.
I told you guys I was gonna hold it to 1802. And I guess I'm good. Oh my goodness. Patience at its finest. I had to come back.
Hey, Trap King, we get paid to wait, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, bro. This thing is absolutely ripping. Look at this thing.
That's nice.
Man, that was crazy.
It was crazy.
I didn't even realize I was in the trade at first. And then Caleb was like, I'm in it. And I was like, oh shit. Because I was watching it on the Zoom instead of on MetaTrader. So then I just went back and oh shit. Got my feet.
Now I'm officially out of Zoom.
This week is fire.
Later.
This week is fire. Look at gold just destroying. You guys remember I was talking about on my Zoom last night.
Yo.
We were looking at the hedge funds that were just leveraging in more. I knew this was going to happen. These people are idiots. These guys don't know how to trade for real. Just add more short positions at 1780 so we can get freaking wrecked when it breaks 1800. I knew it, dude. What a rip today.
That's a rip, bro. Holy. On the 15-minute, bro.
Yo, we broke the market today, huh?
Scammed it.
Holy shit.
Scammed again.
Man.
It's official. Tana is a market maker scammer. Official right now. Scam the brother into making money.
Oh my god. Yo, who all caught this move?
I caught the move. I caught clean. I caught clean 40.
Let's go. Who else caught it? Newbie caught it. Caleb caught it, obviously. He'd have caught it without me. He would have. Oh my god, dude. I cannot believe that thing ripped like that. The daily breakout sent that thing ripping. Look at that. 115-minute candle straight up 130, 140 pips. It's unreal. Steven caught it. Vincent. Nice. Pretty much everyone on here caught it.
Dude, we all been waiting for this damn thing for 2 hours now.
Oh my god.
I mean, you can't be on Zoom for that long and you tell me you missed this, and I'm sorry for your loss,
Hey, drop some heat in the Discord, will you?
Bro, this shit is fire.
All right, well, I think I'm going to call it a day. I got my money.
All right, bro. Well, I'll see you tomorrow, and maybe we'll try maybe we'll see what's up in the NFP, and we'll see what's up with GJ tomorrow as well, in case we can't trade NFP. So overall, good week. We just gotta end it on a good note too. So
I mean, I can't wait for you to draw that video of how you do this stuff,
Oh, bro, it's gonna be fire.
Man, because this shit is amazing, man. Because I mean, you could just easily 10 pips a day can save your life. Damn. Mm-hmm. And in most cases, you get more. And you know what happens sometimes? The moment you get your move and then you've taken your money off the table, you find out it's like they're actually waiting for us to take the money off the table. And then the next time the market goes the other direction, but we're already out. So many times that happens. So, I mean, easy 10 pips, easy 20 pips. Bro, I'm good. I like being scammed that way.
Oh, yeah. It's nice.
That's how to scam me.
All right, I'm heading out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, brother.
Later, bro.
Well,
Good.
shoot, boys.
Officially, I'm heading out right now. I had to come back to see y'all, so I'm out again.
All right, TK.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, TK.
Yes.
Tanner,
Yeah.
dude, I had that buy stop on both of my accounts, the one I told you about, and then my account.
Yeah.
Boy,
You're eating, huh? Let's go, bro.
dude, if I would have held that, because I used the 1.0 on it, because that's the right risk for that account. And bro, if I would have held that thing, it'd been $1,300.
Yeah. Yeah, if I would have held it, I would have probably banked about 2K on it, but probably more than that. Let me just do the math.
Bro, that had my feet sweating,
Oh,
bro.
that would have been 7K if I would somehow bagged this whole move.
Damn.
Holy.
Jesus.
Oh, let me hold $1.
Bro, I closed 600 on that. You kidding me?
Yeah, bro, that was a move right there.
That is
Oh,
absolutely
That shit was
fire.
a damn move.
dude, Tanner, if you would have waited like 2 seconds to say I'm
Bro,
out,
literally, if I would have waited that extra minute candle when just this one broke out, like just 47 pips in no time. If I would have just banked 40 pips, that would have been 2K 2,500, something like that. It's freaking crazy.
God, bro, I'm so glad I got up this morning because I went and yesterday was National Margarita Day.
Oh, I know you did. I seen your story. You were out jacking around.
Yeah, dude. Whenever this morning when we first got on here, I had like one eye open, like trying to watch the Zoom. And then we started getting to where the trade was about to happen when it first was about to break out. And then you took away your buy stop. And I don't know, I just got a little burst of energy and I've been up since. Man, that was crazy.
Bro, we absolutely ate this morning.
That shit was fire.
Dang, Dwayne, I
That
don't see
shit
no
was
fire
fire.
from you in the chat.
Man,
Come on, bud.
my feet are sweating over here, bro. Let me get some fire emojis real quick. Let me find them. Where they at?
Dwayne is stressing.
Dang, I don't see none from Vincent either. Come on, we gotta give the ones that don't show up in the morning some FOMO.
Got you, Tim. Hold on 1 second.
Jeez. There we go, boys. There we go. We ate, but that's gonna be it today. I think we'll come back and run it back tomorrow, and we're gonna play things on the safe side tomorrow, considering NFP, and we'll see what we can get into in the morning. If we can maybe trade some GJ or something tomorrow. Maybe even gold, who knows? We might see a clean range set in order there for NFP, all that. So we'll be good. We'll be good to go tomorrow. But
I'm gonna be on the Zoom. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take a trade tomorrow though. Just depending on, I don't know, bro. NFP, I've seen some crazy stuff happen. Like kind of
just gotta manage it.
Kind of like what just happened. That's typically what you see on NFP. I don't know. That's kind of scary, especially if you're in the wrong side of it.
We'll have to see. I'll be having the good gut feelings about it too. So all of us together will make the right, good, proper choice.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Tanner.
What's up?
Is that the? I mean, when was the last time gold touched 1,800?
Bro, it hadn't been there in a bit. It hasn't been there since March.
Got you.
It's been months. But you know what? I expected this. I expected this breakout of this downward channel. Now, what's key for this is a few daily candles to trade above the 1,800 level. That's what's going to push gold up to 1,830, 1,840. This washout here, this isn't as much of a washout yet. As we get up to 1,830, 1,840, there's going to be some short hands that are forced to cover. We're talking like probably larger institutions that are going to have to cover. And then that's going to give it its next leg up for some good buying power. Once we get pushed back above 1,890, 1,900, Gold's on its way back to all-time highs. Silver, like I said, late this year, silver's gonna break out probably $35. If I had to guess, silver's really healthy here, so I'm happy with everything. So
Yes, sir.
we'll have to see. Man, we've been
Excited to go back and watch that.
Oh yeah, bro. We just ate.
I had to leave at 7:25, and
We literally in 3 minutes, this thing just ripped 120 pips with all of us in it.
Yeah, I knew the trade well enough from just our stock that I kept my order and just was on my phone with it. So I was there. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Bro, that is insane. What a
Dude,
move today.
On that first buy stop that we got rid of, on my smaller account, I had a little bit bigger lot size, but then when we took it off and put it back, I lowered it back to normal, which probably I should have had it like that at the first place. But just thinking back, that would have been crazy. Because I was on I had to switch over accounts. So my little account caught way more pips than my big account did. But shit, I am not complaining.
Yeah.
I caught a nice amount of pips. Oh my God, it's still going.
Bro, ripping. I knew this daily breakout was going to be super key for this. Yeah.
See, I don't know. I feel like I don't know. Because I understand your scalping and stuff, but like, doing your analysis and stuff, you've seen that coming, that whole move coming. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can bank some more pips. If you were to close like 80%, leave 20% running, you bank that extra move that you put the risk on the table to do it. Know you're going to get hit at break even. That's why I say typically Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, especially Thursday and Friday, them are your best days to leave your runner, because you can bank that bigger move. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's fire though.
That's crazy. That's like the nicest breakout I've seen on gold in a while.
Yeah, it's clean. That is a clean breakout. See, GLD and SLV should be just ripping right now. Yeah. GDX,
those
GDXJ.
are stocks.
Yeah, these are so pretty much people who, these are some miners, GDX, GDXJ. This is a junior miner. They're doing pretty well. They're ripping. Me and Hussein said, like, back in the beginning of 2020 for people to buy GDX, GDXJ. It's a couple like Barrett Gold, things like that. But man, the fact that the S&P is not moving up right now with gold, that's a good sign. Look at the dollar melting off. Exactly what we thought. I said this week, we need to break this 4-hour support. Remember on my Zoom, and that we would see this meltdown on the dollar continue back, which is key. So we can make our way back towards 89,500, which that move back to the downside is going to continue pushing gold up to 1830, 1840. So, man, I'll tell you this. We have been catching some fire moves since I started doing these live sessions.
Dude, I think your live sessions has helped me so much with patience, because, like, bro, if you don't do it, I'm not doing it. And if you do it, I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? So, like, the fact that we just sat there for 2 hours and didn't do it, didn't FOMO or whatever, it's just helping me, like, learn, because, like, now that I waited, I made my money. If I wouldn't have waited, like, if I wouldn't have took off my buy stop, I would have got wrecked.
Yeah.
So it's just,
yeah, we had 2 breakouts of the same area of interest, and had we executed on those, which we were super patient, we knew better because of the timing of candles, and it's something I'm getting pretty good at, noticing these timing of these candles and things like that. We're able to capitalize on these better ideas, and we don't have to get washed out and then make the money back on the move, so
I think that's what I learned the most today was candle timing and the importance of it.
Yeah, it's candle timing. It's very important.
Like, I I knew that, but not like I discovered today. So yeah, man.
Yeah, it's fire. Yeah, I'm happy for everyone who caught it. What a good trade.
Man, Urban. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Yeah.
I was trying so hard to get to the screen to close out, and oh man, dude, I was because at first I was trying to set my break even stop loss because I didn't want to lose any. So I was trying to set that, and then you're like, I'm out. So I'm like trying to get back to the close screen because you can't close on the modify screen. Oh man, that was good.
Yeah.
Everybody's like screaming in the chat and stuff. I mean, in the Zoom.
You're making you panic.
Yeah, that's exactly what it was.
All sweaty fingered.
Dude, my feet are sweating. Not even my hands. My hands are good. Oh, I guess they are kind of a little clammy. My feet, though, bro. Every time I take a trade, my feet start sweating. I don't know why. I'm getting nervous. But man, that
used
was
to
good.
happen to me. Not much no more.
I think what it is for me, because that was the first trade I've taken on my big account. So I was like kind of feeling like I had a bunch of weight on my shoulders.
Right.
You know? Oh my God. Is it still ripping?
Yeah. This thing is just
damn.
Oh my God, it's just taking off. It's insane.
I'm about to go hop in another buy.
Yeah, don't even.
I've been trying to teach my buddy how to trade, and like he'll like close out the trade, and then it'll take off, and it'll be like a candle like that. Like it'll be shooting way up. He's like, "Oh, should I hop in another buy?" I'm like, "No." I'm like, "No, look at it." I'm like, "Look at it, bro. Like it's way up there. It's just a bad time." But yeah, after we get to trade, I love sitting there and just watching it for a little bit, and then go and start my day. But hell yeah.
Well, I think that's going to be it for me today, boys. I've got some stuff I got to take care of, and we'll run it back tomorrow and see what else we can get into. So I'll yeah, that's going to be it. I'm going to shut this off, and
appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, I will catch you guys sometime.